Pressure washing sucks. It sucks really, really bad. You start out with this great idea of, oh, we're gonna make things super clean. You know, don't get me wrong, it is satisfying, but once you're out doing it, and especially the driveway, you'll regret it pretty quickly. That is, unless you have a surface cleaner. I found out about surface cleaners years ago, and I thought they were like just for the pros, not homeowners. And I picked up a cheap one from Home Depot. And while that's done very well for the past several years, it finally died. And that brings us to right now to where Eveage has reached out to me to send me a surface cleaner to try out. The only problem though is I had already pressure washed everything, and because of that, I didn't really know where to test. But hey, my neighbor was nice enough to let me pressure wash his driveway for him. My son Connor helped out because he's been pressure washing all over the neighborhood along with mowing lawns this summer. And we put this bad boy through its paces. First up is, it's stainless steel and brass, kind of like that hose reel I have out back. And if it's anything like that, it's gonna be quality. It also has casters on it, makes it glide smooth all over the surface. Super nice. This surface cleaner is rated up to 4,000 PSI, which is way more than what the pressure washer I'm currently using has. I'm using an old Troy-Bilt. I don't know how old it is, 6.75 horsepower, 2,300 PSI at 2.3 gallons a minute. While not the most powerful pressure washer in existence, it suits the needs for the majority of homeowners, and this 13-inch surface cleaner by Eveage fits the bill perfectly for that, even if it's capable of more than what my pressure washer can put out. So we're off to the races on this. Connor's doing a fantastic job. This driveway is roughly 1,600 square feet in size. It's on a slight little hill, but the total time spent, including breaks, where we were taking several, it's hot and sticky out here today, is maybe an hour and 45 minutes. Actual pressure washing for that entire driveway was under an hour. That's fast. That's faster than doing mine with the old surface cleaner I had that was a 12-inch model, and this being 13-inch, just a little bit bigger. Thought it might be a little too small, but nope. It got the job done quickly, efficiently, and it did a really good job for what specs the pressure washer has. Now this bit of video here is all in real time. I wanted to show it in real time because most videos you see of people surface cleaning, it's sped up quite a bit, so you don't know actually how fast they're moving the surface cleaner across the concrete. Well, this is how fast I was moving it. It was doing a pretty good job. Some spots left here and there, but that's more due to what the pressure washer can put out, not what this is capable of. The other cool feature about this, and oh, it's really cool, and it has possibly two uses, is the caster wheels rotate. They flip around. what does that mean? Well, you flip the surface cleaner upside down and you can clean the undercarriage of your car or Jeep or truck. So if you're into off-roading, you know, hitting places like Windrock, Royal Blue, somewhere in Utah in the desert, you can clean the underside of your vehicle easy peasy. Super nice. And then on hot muggy days like today, and I don't advise this, I haven't tried it, but with the right size bucket and seat, it quite possibly could be the ultimate bidet. So there we have it, the Eveage 13-inch surface cleaner that flips over and also does undercarriages. Perfect size, perfect specs for homeowner use. It's not too small, it's not too big, it's just the right size, and the stainless steel and brass construction means that it's going to last quite a long time. Do I like it? Yes, I do. Would I buy it? Abso-freaking-lutely. I love stainless steel and brass construction for anything outdoor related. I know it's going to last because of that, and it's going to get put through its paces, especially with my son working. He is busting his butt this year. Started with just mowing, now he has pressure washing. Fall, he's adding leaf cleanup and some other stuff, and who knows what else in the future, but he's loving it. He's making bank, and our job's done for today. So now change into some drier clothes to get sweaty again, and we're off to ride bikes while the robot does its thing in the grass. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's Mike, Real Low Dad. We'll see you again soon.